Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instacart Shopper app, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Instacart Shopper app on your mobile device. Log in with your credentials or create a new account if you are a first-time user. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here, you can view available batches and their details. Select a batch that interests you. Tap on the batch to view the item list and store information. Review the estimated earnings for the batch before accepting it. If everything looks good, tap on Accept Batch to confirm. Next, navigate to the store by following the GPS instructions provided. Once at the store, check in through the app to notify Instacart you've arrived. You will see a list of items to pick. Start shopping for the first item on your list. As you find each item, mark it as picked in the app. If an item isn't available, you can indicate a replacement option. Continue picking all the items in the batch. Once you have everything, proceed to the checkout. Scan each item as you ring them up. Make sure to keep an eye on your total to ensure it matches the app. After checking out, bag your items appropriately. Head back to your vehicle and navigate to the customer's location. Once you arrive, follow the app's instructions for delivery. You can leave the groceries at the door or hand them directly to the customer, as preferred. After delivery, confirm it in the app to complete the batch. Review your earnings for the completed batch. Take note of any feedback from customers for improvement. Finally, return to your dashboard to see new batch opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.